Modern life is fast, intense, demanding. You make it work. You are a superstar. Do you remember to take some time for yourself to recharge? Meet Geneo, an advanced approach to facial treatments, personally tailored to your skin with 3 complementing technologies: OxyGeneo, tripolar, and ultrasound. Make use of all that science has to offer, featuring innovative oxypods encapsulating highly efficient formulations and active ingredients. Choose the option that fits your needs and whatever you'd like to improve with the new treatment kits. Oily skin, signs of aging, or uneven skin tone. You can choose more than one. We're multitaskers, just like you. Notice immediately visible improved skin texture and tone, and achieve long-lasting results with no pain, discomfort, or downtime. Make it part of your beauty routine. You deserve it. Geneo. Breathe in, shine out.